Mastering directions. Navigating English with ease. Hello everyone and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial part of conversational English, giving and receiving directions. We'll be focusing on prepositions of place and how we can use these to navigate our way around English conversations. Before we get into asking for and giving directions, let's quickly refresh our knowledge of prepositions of place. These words help us describe where something is in relation to something else. They include in, on, at, next to, near, between, across from, behind, and in front of. Each preposition has its own unique usage, and knowing when to use each one is key to giving accurate directions. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's learn how to ask for directions. Here are some common phrases you might use. Excuse me, where is the bank at? Could you tell me how to get to the library? I'm trying to find the cafe. Is it near here? Notice how each question uses a preposition of place to specify the location. It's equally important to know how to give directions. Here are some phrases you could use. The bank is on your right. Go straight and you will see the library in front of you. The cafe is between the bookstore and the supermarket. Remember, the prepositions of place help the person understand the exact location of the place you are directing them to. Let's try a few examples to see how it all works in conversation. Asking, excuse me, could you tell me where the train station is? Answering, sure, it's across from the park, next to the post office. Or another example might be, asking, can you help me find the nearest pharmacy? Answering, of course. Go straight and take the first left. The pharmacy will be on your right, between the bakery and the florist. These examples highlight how prepositions of place are used to give precise and helpful directions. That wraps up our lesson on using prepositions of place in asking for and giving directions in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these new phrases in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the world of English.